In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to know if your Shopify store is live. When you're just getting started with Shopify, it can be a bit confusing to tell whether your store is actually live and visible to customers, or if only you can see it because you're logged into your account. So in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly how to check, what to look for, and a couple of quick tests you can run to be sure everything is working the way you expect. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin on your computer. From your main dashboard, look toward the top or the left side of the screen for the section that shows your store name and sales overview. Here, Shopify will often display a small notice if your store is still in trial, has a password enabled, or has some setup steps left before it's fully live. Take a moment to read any banner or notification at the top of the page. If there's a message about choosing a plan or removing a password, that usually means your store is not yet publicly accessible. Next, we'll check the online store status from within your admin. In the navigation menu, look for the option labeled Online Store or Sales Channels, and click into that. Inside the Online Store section, you'll see settings related to your theme and preferences. One key setting to pay attention to is the password protection. If the password page is turned on, it means visitors will see a landing page asking for a password before they can view your store. For a store to be fully live to the public, this password protection needs to be disabled. If you see that it's enabled, you can switch it off once you're ready to launch. After that, it's a good idea to copy your store's domain, either your custom domain or the default Shopify domain, and open it in a private or incognito window. This step is important because it lets you see your store the way a first-time visitor would, without your admin login interfering. Paste the link into the address bar and hit enter. If your homepage loads normally with your products and you don't see any password prompt or store coming soon message, that's a strong sign your store is live. Finally, try navigating a bit. Click on a product page, add an item to the cart, and go to the checkout page. You don't have to complete a purchase, but you want to confirm that the cart and checkout load correctly. If all of that works without any warnings or blocks, congratulations, your Shopify store is live and ready for customers.